In today's matchup, we have Spanish Town Primary from St. Catherine going up against Haddo Primary from Westmoreland.
So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Haddo Primary won. They decided that Spanish Town Primary will play first. So Spanish Town Primary with 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. In the parable of the sower, where were the seeds sowed that grew and yielded fruit?
Inventory.
Repeat for me.
Inventory.
Incorrect. On good ground or good soil. Bible knowledge to you had a primary. In the parable of the Good Samaritan, how many Jews passed by before the Samaritan came along?
1.
Incorrect. 2. Science U, Spanish Town Primary. What type of joint is found in the knee?
Hinge joint.
Correct. Haddo Primary, Science. What type of joint is found in the shoulder? The question passes. Haddo. Spanish Town, would you like to answer?
Yes, sir. Ball and socket.
Correct. And still with you for Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Every thief honest.
Fly.
Incorrect. Till them catch him. Jamaican affairs to you, Haddo. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Horse a gallop.
Because it's still a corn.
Incorrect. But him no know when back foot has say. Jamaican Spanish Town Primary, English language. Spell the word possible.
Possible.
Correct. English language to you, Haddo Primary. Spell the word practical.
Praticale.
Incorrect. Practical, Practical. Spanish Town Primary, television. In the television series Jessie, who played the role of Zuri Ross?
You share.
Repeat for me, please.
You share.
Incorrect. Sky Jackson. Television to you had a primary. In the television series Jessie, who played the role of Ravi Ross?
John Campbell.
Incorrect. Karan Brar. General knowledge to Spanish Town Primary. What is the distinctive sound of a hamster?
Squeak.
Correct. General knowledge to Haddo Primary. What is the distinctive sound of an ox?
Law.
Correct. Spanish Town Primary. Social Studies. In which Jamaican parish would you find the community of Mile Gully?
St. Anne.
Incorrect. Manchester. Social Studies to Haddo. In which Jamaican parish would you find the community of Ewerton?
Manchester.
Incorrect. St. Catherine. Music to Spanish Town Primary. Complete the title of this Justin Bieber song. As Long As You.
Live.
Incorrect. Love Me. Music to Haddo Primary. Complete the title of this Justin Bieber song. Never Say. The question passes to Spanish Town Primary. Would you like to answer?
No. Yes.
Never say never. Spanish Town Primary, still with you for mathematics. What is 4,800 divided by 20? Question passes to Haddo Primary. Would you like to answer?
240.
Correct. And still with you for another mathematics question. What is 15.08 times 100?
1008.
Incorrect. 1,508. And that is the end of Section 1.
During round 1, both Spanish Town Primary and Haddo Primary attempted 10 questions. Points after round 1 are Spanish Town Primary on 4 points and Haddo Primary on 2 points.
Please stay with us. This match in Quest for Quiz, the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior School Spanish Quiz, continues after these messages.